You don't want to do a speedrun transition like this, right? If you want to know how to do it correctly, stay with me. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use time remapping and speed ramp and how to apply it in order to use as a transition, and actually what's the point of using it and when it's appropriate. First of all, make sure that the two clips that you want to match together, somehow they connect to each other, they have the same subject, same vibes. Otherwise, we will just put a speedrun transition between two completely different clips, which makes no sense. So basically what I use the speedrun transition is to help my videos flow and to give a smooth and seamless transition between two clips which have the same motion, vibes and subject.
Alright, welcome to Premiere Pro, guys. You can see the two clips that I want to work with. The first clip, I'm about to launch my drone, and in the second clip, as you can see, the drone is already in the air. So I want to move the first clip into the next one, the second one, and the way I'm going to do this is by activating time remapping and using a speed ramp transition between these two clips. So first of all, you need to know that these clips were shot in 60 frames per second and slow it down to 40%. Come here and try to expand your layer, therefore you can see what's happening here and you can easily do the speed adjustments. So what I'm going to do is I will put a keyframe on the end of the first clip and I will raise the speed to 400%, and on the beginning of the second clip I will put a keyframe as well and I will raise the speed to 400% and I will gradually decrease the speed to 100% and I will paste the two clips together. So first of all, right click, go down below where you can see show clip keyframes, click on it, time remapping, speed, and by pushing P I activate my pencil tool. This keyboard shortcut stands for this. If you're interested in keyboard shortcuts, I will put the link on the screen, so just click on it and you can see the other video. So let's put a keyframe here and the beginning of the second clip about here. Let's put another keyframe. Okay, let's go back to my selection tool, which is A for me. Let's grab this white line and bring the speed up to 400%, and it doesn't need to be exactly 400%. This is what works best for me, but I think that at least you need 300% to have a good end result. So let's raise the speed here as well to 400%. That's it. So as you can see, there's a little arrow, and if you click the right side of the arrow and grab it to the right side, it will help to ease the speed from 100% to 400%. And let's expand more this layer and zoom in, and you can see that there's a bar here. Grab the downside of the bar and make it parallel to this white line. What it does, it will help to ease even more the speed from 100 to 400. Let's do this to the second clip as well. Alright, that's it. And you can do little adjustments, like you can grab this arrow and you can move the beginning of the speedrun transition where you want. For me now it's enough. Let's paste these two clips together and play it back. As you can see, it's a nice, smooth, seamless transition between these two clips. And let's put a little sound effect to boost the transition itself. Okay, play it back. That's it. And let me show you without the speedrun transition how these two clips move from one to each other. As you can see, it's not smooth at all. So that's it for the speedrun transition.
Alright, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please let me know in the comments what do you think, and if you found it useful and you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to the channel. Bye!